Hello everyone, welcome to another awesome video. It's called Maverick here. So I'll be showing you guys how to mine free USDT using this cloud-free USDT platform. So you can withdraw up to 300 to 1000 USDT from this platform without any deposit required. So I'll be showing you guys how to go about this platform and how to sign up. So all you have to do is paste your TRC20 wallet address, TRC20 USDT wallet address, and you click on enter. And then all you have to do is verify the captcha and click on enter. So it's very easy, and as you can see, it will start mining automatically. Do you understand? Start mining automatically. So guess the minimum withdrawal from this platform. If you guess 2, then you guessed it right. 2 USDT is the minimum withdrawal from this platform. So all you have to do is create an account and it will start mining automatically. Do you understand? So I'll be showing you guys how to make more money from this platform without any hassle at all. Do you understand? So I'll show you guys how to buy hash power. So on here you can buy hash power for as little as 4 USDT. Do you understand? For as little as 4 USDT. So when you buy 4 USDT worth of hash power, you'll be making at least 0.5, 0.4 USDT. Do you understand? Or you can buy more than that. Let's click it to 20 USDT, shall we? Then what? Sorry, we can't even edit this. No, click on 20 USDT. So that's good. So 1 USDT per hash power. Do you understand? So all you have to do is click on buy power. Sorry, you have to fund this platform for you to buy the hash power. So I'll be showing you guys how to deposit on this platform. So here's how to deposit on this platform. You click on here. So this is how you make deposit. Do you understand? So you click on generate address, and as you can see, this is the address given to you. The minimum deposit is 1 USDT. Do you understand? And it doesn't take time for confirmation. So all you have to do is copy this address, go over to your wallet, click on the desired amount of USDT you want to deposit on this platform, whether 20, 30, 40, any amount. Do you understand? But the minimum deposit here is the minimum amount to buy hash power on this platform is 4, but then your minimum deposit is 1 USDT. Do you understand? So all you have to do is copy, go to your wallet address, paste it, and fund this platform. Do you understand? And then you can then go over to the hash power and then click on buy power. Do you understand? So that's that for buying hash power. I'll be showing you guys how to make more money on this platform. Do you understand? So you click on it, and then this is the affiliate program. So on this affiliate program, you get 7% commission. Do you understand? 7% referral commission from your referrals. Do you understand? The amount of people you refer, you'll be earning 7% from each and every one of them. Do you understand? So all you have to do is copy your referral code and then paste it to all platforms, like your family and friends. Refer them onto this platform to make free USDT like you. Do you understand? So this is basically all you have to do to refer people. Copy your address, paste it to them, and they are going to sign up using your link. Do you understand? I'll be leaving my link in the description box if you want to sign up and get bonuses. Do you understand? So that's that for the affiliate program. If you have any, this is your history, your transaction history on this platform, and then I'm showing you guys about this platform. So on here you can see about this platform. Welcome to cloud free USDT, your gateway to USDT cloud mining excellence. Welcome to our state-of-the-art USDT cloud mining platform. We are leading the transformation of the cryptocurrency industry by offering an innovative and affordable way to participate in the exciting USDT Tron network. Here are some reasons why you should choose our company for our cloud mining activities. So on here, as you can see, this is everything about this platform. You can come on here to read about them, make your research, and do well to earn money from this platform. So go back to your mining and you can see exactly what you're mining. So you can also go to the frequently asked questions if you have any problem with this platform, and then you can also change your languages here for those who cannot understand English. Do you understand? So click on the languages you prefer, and then that's basically it. Do you understand? So that's that for this video. See you guys on my next video, and do well to like and subscribe, join my Telegram channel, and peace out.